guys, good time to all of you. How are you all? Hope you all are fit and
Hi.
fine. This is one
Yovan.
of my friends. Yovan.
Yes.
Okay, this is Rajib in front of you. So I have got a new friend from another country, from Europe. Which country?
Serbia.
Serbia. Okay. So it's very wonderful guy, amazing guy. So I wanna take a video with him, and he permit me to take this video.
Yes, of course. You're a good guy. You're a good
Yeah.
guy, and you're dressed very well. Very well
Okay,
dressed.
thank you. And why you visit Bangladesh?
I visit Bangladesh for work.
For work, and how it look like, and people.
People are great. I like Bangladesh more than I expected. It's a little bit dirty here from what I'm used to, but people are great. Everybody's so friendly. Everybody's smiling. Everybody's helping me with everything. So yeah, Bangladesh are good people. Are very good people.
Who is she?
Huh?
Who is she?
Who is she? She's Amy. I met her yesterday. Yesterday.
Yesterday?
Yesterday.
She's not from another country.
She is from another country. She's from Japan.
Japan.
Yes,
Very good.
yes.
Nice to meet you. And what's your name? Emmy.
Yes, Amy.
Okay, guys. Thank you, brother.
You're welcome.